Hello crafty friends, this is ScrappingSylvia here on YouTube and Instagram. Today we figure we'd do a quick unboxing by Dreamer Designs. It's premium diamond canvas kit. What's great about this, look at this, it comes with a little handle so you can carry it with you to your friend's house. It says here it reduces stress. When you diamond paint, it reduces stress and anxiety. Improves your focus, God knows I need that. Helps your fine motor skills, increases your social circle, which is great, and it helps to spark creativity. And what else? And then just the features on the side. It's a lifetime warranty, plus, insurance, Dreamer Cloud Canvas, full drill canvas, entire legally licensed image, and sparkly diamonds with AB accents, and of course the instructions, how it works. Okay, let's get this baby open, guys. If I can get it open. Okay. Oops. I'm trying to remember if this is my first Dreamer design. I think it might be. Anyway, so I'm going to be, let's see what we have in here first of all. Okay. So it comes in a nice little bag. Look at that. Little handles. That's cool. Okay. Easy to travel with. And this is the canvas, nice and soft. Look at this, guys. Has a nice purple ribbon. Okay, now this is, I bought this a while back, so I don't know if they've changed any of this, but this is great. This is really nice. I like that. And it comes with another, I guess this is where the toolkit is, and all the drills or colors. Okay, let's open the little kit quickly. Beautiful purple color. What's in this baby? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone had a great New Year's. Okay, let's see. Wow. Anything else in here? Okay. So let me move this down so you can see better. Okay, so it comes, with 2 trays. And in the back it says Dreamer Design. So 2 trays, which comes in handy. It comes with 2 round cases with wax inside, and it also says Dreamer Design on, both of them actually. Okay, very nice. It comes with 2 purple scrunchies. It comes with these diamond pens, just in case if you're a beginner and you don't have any, you can use these. It comes with a nice tweezer, very, very sharp. Okay. And it comes with placers, okay? And this is, I believe, is a straightener. Very nice. And of course, these little baggies to put your drills in if you don't have containers, okay? So let's move all this away, aside for now. Okay. Actually, I could have put it back in here, silly me. Anyway, okay, so let's open the canvas. The instructions and the sticker is in here. And it comes with a little tube. This might come in handy. Okay. Let's turn, this is small. But that's good for me, guys, because I'm a slowpoke. Okay. Wow, can you see that, guys? It's beautiful. It's called Liberty's Light. It's legally licensed from Michael Humphreys. It says design size is 32 by 28 centimeters. Let's move it up close so you can see. It's actually very clear. Can you see that? It's a very pretty lighthouse. Okay, it says paints with passion. It comes with 46 colors. Okay, so this is the numbers. You got the sign and the number of DMC. So I think it comes with only 1 AB, which is going to be perfect because I am going to be using this, guys, for the Ticket to Ride event by Crafting Journey. which is Rebecca, and her co-host, I believe, is Cheryl. And I'm also going to be using this because Tia said it was okay to use this with Blinging in the New Year to 2022, which I'm going to be doing that event by DP Addiction, which is Jenny, and Tia's Crazy Craft Addiction by Tia. And then I guess they can help me out how to bling this. I want to bling it away. Bling, bling. Okay. And then, let's see. It's pretty soft in the back, but it's not as soft as Diamond Art Club, but it's pretty nice, guys. Okay. Let's see how sticky it is. Oh, yeah. Very sticky. I got to kit this baby. All right. And I guess it comes, well, what's this? These are the instructions. Join the Dreamer community, which I did already, but if you're a beginner, you should join. Okay, and of course the instructions in the back. We don't need that. And these are also this one is the old one. I'm not sure if they do this the sticker individually, but this one, it's just easy. I just have to cut it out and then I'll stick it on the containers. So it's a lot of colors actually. Oh, wait a minute. The ABs are in the bottom. It says it has 3 ABs. Wow. Okay. See? See, AB, AB, and AB. So 3 ABs in the bottom. Oh, this is not an AB. I'm sorry. AB is 150 and above. This is number 1 is 167. So it's got 3 ABs. That's good. Okay. Okay, let's look at the colors very quickly. Get this baby open. Oh, wait. Okay, I don't need the scissors there. All right, let's see. These, I think they're in order. Sorry about the noise. Try not to make too much noise. Let's see. But can't help it, guys. Oh, well, mamma mia. Trying to look for number 1. Okay, here's number 1. So number 1, 167. Number 2, 310. 321, which is a pretty like red. 437. 452. 453. 498. This is like a dark red. 523. It looks like a green, like a sage. 720 and 728. Okay. 814. That's pretty. 823. 829. 830. 869. 921. Ooh, I love this one. 930, because I love all blues and greens, guys. 934, 935, and 936. Okay. This one is 3839, 3840, 3842. Wow, look at all these blues. Just gorgeous. Okay, this is an AB right here. This is an AB08. AB17, wow, that's pretty. And AB36. Obviously, I'm not doing it in order. Haha. 732, 733, 738, 739, 745, 746, 780, 782, 783, and 809. Well, that's a lot of these 809s. And this is the last row. 938, 3345, 3346. Oops, I'm out of the picture. Sorry about that. 3721. That's pretty. 3747. Ooh, I love this one. 3750. 3756. 3760, 3822, and 3828. Okay, that's, we said earlier, was it 46 colors? All right, let's see, where are my ABs again? Which are these 3? let's cut this out here. The next video will be the kitting up. Okay, let's move all these babies out of the way. And let's bring back the canvas. Let's curl this again. All right, let's see. So you've got the beautiful sky. The sky is different colors of blues, and it's got, I guess, like reds and white and gray. And then you have the beautiful lighthouse with a big, huge star on the top. And of course, these are flowers and then some water over here. Okay. So let's see. This is 46 is G. So wherever we see these little G, which is over here, this is going to be ABs, okay? And then the next AB is the arrow pointing up. So we got ABs here, ABs around here. Do we have any over there? Nope. Okay, I guess it's like scattered. And then the other one is AB08, which is 44, and it's the O. And all the little O's looks like it's in the white. So pretty cool. You got some ABs here, and that's it. So I'm looking at this, and hopefully Jenny and Tia will help me bling this baby out. I'm thinking that maybe some bling here on the star, maybe some bling over here, and I don't know, maybe some bling like maybe on the flowers and on the water. I don't know. We'll see. So that's it, guys. So that's about it. So I'll see you on the next video, which I'll be doing the kitting up. Bye bye. Have a nice day, guys.